There's a few.
Few. Only a few, huh?
Only a
Few is
few.
like.
Huh?
Few is like.
Hey guys, okay, so we just got in your questions. By the way, the camera is over there, okay? You know where the camera hole is, right? It's here. Okay? Just look there. Alright, so we got your questions, guys, and my mom still hasn't seen it. And she's been fussing about it because she wanted to see all the questions all this time. But I didn't give her that opportunity, so she's going blind into this. And let's see how it goes. So some of you guys sent in some interesting questions. Some of you guys sent in some nice compliments to us. See, they complimented us. No, us. Okay. So I'm just going to shuffle all this on the table. And Mom's going to pick up some. I'm going to pick up some, and we're going to talk about it. So let's see. I'm not good at shuffling, by the way, guys. So just pick one. No, wait. I'll start. Okay, so this is a neighbor of Auntie Karin's. She's asking, when are you guys coming to Auntie Karin's place? You should drop in for some coffee at my place.
As soon as the curfew is over, we are ready to get out to any place.
Okay. Pick one. Read it. Okay, this one is from Jason. How do you keep up with him?
Well, he has to keep up with me, and that I don't think he can do.
See,
It's a tough question.
Everyone thinks it's the other way around. Everyone thinks I am the pain in the ass. No, this is the fucking pain in the ass.
He has to keep up with me, and he can't hold a candle.
I can't hold a candle because I like a torch. I don't fucking go with this traditional candle shit. Okay, pick. Okay, this is in by Andrea. Did you ever want him to cut his beard or hair?
Hair no, beard yes, and I'm still trying hard.
Yeah, and everyone in my fucking family tries to get me to cut my beard. It doesn't work. I always tell them, fuck off. But yeah.
We're still trying, we never give up.
Yeah, but it's not going to happen because I love my beard.
We'll see who he loves most.
Okay, so this is Natasha, who is venomous. She sends in mom's thoughts on your sleeping habit.
Mom's?
Thoughts of your sleeping habit.
Horrible. He has to get into normal life, but we're like, that's his choice in life, and I'm not there, he'll have to face it. But horrible. Gets up at the worst hours, goes to sleep at even better hours. So I don't agree, but he's old enough now, darling, to make his decisions.
But Tahira came after quarantine and she asked you, right? How was Rahul during quarantine? And
Yeah.
my mom was the happiest because I used to not be a pain in her ass at all. I used to sleep at 6 in the morning, wake up at 1 in the afternoon, have my lunch, get back to gaming. Didn't bother her at all. So she was the happiest.
That is true. During quarantine, I didn't have a problem, but quarantine is just 1/8 or even less of the whole time.
Okay, so this is from Anuradha who sent me the pants. She's like, hi auntie, you're so sweet.
Oh, thank you, darling.
She was the one who modeled with me for barefoot.
Okay.
Rukaya sends in a compliment as well. No question, just freaking love you guys.
Love you too.
See? I told
I
you.
really love his friends. They stand by him, they are there for him. But I don't know how they listen to his rant man at times, but yes.
Because
I
there's
really
too many
love his friends.
fucking, yeah, okay.
Too
yeah.
many words.
Your turn. Andrea sends in another one. One thing you love about him and one thing you hate about him. This is interesting.
Okay, let me start with the hate first. He makes decisions too fast. At that time, once he's making his decisions or made his decisions, it's a bit tough to get it changed. He has to learn the hard way. What else?
Like
Okay,
one thing.
Okay, I can go on a list.
Hey.
Okay? But what I love, yes, a very loving character, a very caring person. He will go out of his way to help anybody, and that's something he should keep and maintain.
Have
And
you
that's
been
something.
smoking because you're like your throat?
I've been working.
I can't even think about smoking right now. I'm too hungover for this. Ishanti sends in a message. Is she?
Hmm.
She's so cute. How are you, her child?
Everybody asks that, darling. So we're still trying to find it out.
Not everyone asks that question.
But the birth certificate doesn't say so. So we go by that.
Andrea sends in another one. When is the last time he gave you a compliment?
Well, he is very loving and complimentary. So that happens like at least quite often. So that's, I can't remember when and where, but yes.
Yeah. Not only when I need something, right? Yeah.
That's then he's overdoing it at that time.
Leonard sends in a message. Hey Momsy, do tell us how it feels like to raise a legend.
Legend? Who classified him a legend? He's still my son, wherever he does, and wherever, as long as he's here, he's my son and he does what I tell him. Or I hope he does what I tell him.
I hope that answers your question. I don't think that answers
Wait, what was the question again?
What is it like to raise a legend?
A normal child.
Clearly people love me more than you love me. Kavindi sends in a message. If you can wish 3 things for your son,
Who's Kavindi?
what would they be? She's my friend who's going to be an astronaut and go to Mars. You remember her, right?
Yeah, what is his question again?
Fuck. If you can wish 3 things for your son, what would they be?
For him to settle down faster than he hopes to and be self-sufficient so that I can close my eyes in peace. To be able to carry out his dream. He wants to help others, and I think that's something very, very nice to be done. But at the same time, that can be too daunting too, because you tend to get into other people's shoes and in their problems as well. So hope he can distance the two from his personal life and the problems he's trying to solve, but then he wants to do that. So yes, that's the second wish. I hope he can carry that on and do that. And the third wish, cut his beard.
Fuck off, that's not happening. Kushan sends in a message. Hi Auntie, start a vlog about living with Rahul. I'll watch every episode, please. So, people asking you to be a content creator. English Rahul.
Rahul does enough, darling, for me. So that's more than enough.
This is Sodium Natasha. She goes as Sodium Tasha because sodium is Na is. Yeah, you get it, right? She's
What
not
is
that.
RA?
RA is radium, I think. Yeah, I don't know. Fuck it.
So that's me, radio.
Tell us something naughty. Tell some naughty things Rahul has done as a child.
There are many. I can write a book, but I'll tell you one thing of his favorite word. He started using it, I think, when he was in school in grade 6 or 7.
I was in grade 6, 2004.
And suddenly I was summoned by his class sectional head. And
who's a nun, by the way.
And we had no idea why, or he had and we didn't. So I went to school, which was not surprising because I used to end up going there once a week on some complaint that came. And this teacher showed me this note, which his favorite words were written on it in his lousy handwriting. And he had thrown it at a child who was annoying him during class. And so the teacher had picked it up and handed it over to the sectional head. So, well, I don't use that word. His grandparents don't use that word at home. So obviously it was picked up somewhere thinking he was a macho to use it. And well, we got told off and there was a lot of things, and they were about to tell me to take him home and don't send him to school for another week or two, but anyway we got over all that. And finally the teacher sent us off. Oh no, sorry, the teacher asked us.
The nun, by the way, not.
Yeah,
Because the whole
why
time my mother was trying to tell the nun, this is not my son's handwriting, it's not his word, he wouldn't have done this, right? And my mother was telling the sister the whole time that, right? And at the last bit, the nun, because I'm very straightforward, right? So the nun was like, okay, you tell me why you wrote it. I said, Mom said not to say this word because it's a bad word, so I wrote it down.
Yeah, so I had to bring him home and tell him, there are certain things you can say, there are certain things you can write. This is hard fact evidence. So that was my son.
Yeah. I thought you would have gone with me slapping at parent teachers.
Don't do it.
Okay. Okay. Vedmin sends in a message saying, "How do you have such a good relationship with your mum?"
It's you who asked.
Okay. That is because she's all I had. After like everything that has happened, this one's been there. So I guess we've been there for each other and never looked back on that.
Well, we've had our times. There were times when we didn't agree. There were times when we agreed. I rarely lose my cool. I try to, reason out things. But then if and when I do lose it, yes, then it's a bombshell. He gets it in arrears. But that's how it's been. We try to discuss things. Rahul's matured over the years. He has become, sometimes he comes to lecture me now. So that shows that it's a two-way street.
One of my friends have also sent in, this is by Lucifer. Jalita, wait, it's gone. Ah! Come here. Anyway, this is sent in by Lucifer. Hey Mama Queen,
That's my crown.
give us some motivation to get through our lives.
Okay, I think you all are born in the worst era. But saying that, be yourself, do what you like, and be happy. Mainly be happy. Whatever I've always told Rahul, whatever vocation they decide to do, you have to be happy. You have to make it self-sufficient for you, right? You can be working 6 months of the year, traveling 6 months of the year. You can be working 5 years and then retire. It's up to you. But have your goals, set it out and do it. But don't forget, as you go along, there are so many you will meet for many reasons, for many seasons. People will come, people will go. Don't get angry, don't make enemies with people because you don't know when you'll cross them. If you don't appreciate them, just politely move away.
Tell them fuck off.
Now that's my son. Don't do that. It's like a train journey. People hop in, people hop off. So take that as an example. Keep going. You will realize what you're called for. There's always a calling for you, what you want to do. Have a hobby. Always have a hobby. Have something to keep you entertained other than your work. Work is not everything. They say have a 80-20 balance, but I would even say a 40-60 balance. You need your family, you need your friends, you need your work. So have that balance, keep that going, and always remember to be fit. If you're healthy and fit, everything else will fall into place. Keep your mind clear. Don't carry grudges. Don't have ill thoughts about anybody. As I said, if it's not in your area, just move away. Don't make enemies. Keep your mind clear, be happy. And that's it, darling. The world will be a happier place if you're happy. That's how you look at it.
And drink more.
Drinking doesn't solve anything, but once in a way, yes, the drink is good. Once in a way.
This is why these are burger mums, We had to drink to be a part of the family.
No.
Yes, Uncle. Like, we would always say you have to drink to be a part of this family. So, but yeah, have a drink, guys. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Alright, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this and thanks for sending in your questions.
It wasn't too daunting as I thought.
Yeah, see, I told you. It wasn't bad. And we'll try and catch up with you guys on another day. So, thanks, guys. Much love to you all. Thank you, Mama.